Assalamualaikum students, I am your teacher Miss Maria, and students, welcome back to English class, and this video is for class 5. So students, today we are again going to do the textbook work. So take out your textbooks and open your page number 80 and mention date on your page. Today is 4/9/2020 and day is Friday. As you know that in our previous lecture we have learned about the connectives, and today we are going to learn about the semicolon. What is the semicolon? As you have seen this type of comma, ठीक है, this is the semicolon. Besides using connectives, we can also use the semicolon to show that clauses or phrases are connected. If we are not using connectives, or sometimes we are using connectives, we also have to use the semicolon to show that clauses or phrases are connected, that this sentence is connected with this sentence. So we will use comma in semicolon in it, okay? Then it shows that these two are interconnected. The semicolon is used for the following purposes. Now these are the purposes that why we use semicolon. Number 1, to separate two or more main clauses which have closely linked meanings. In a sentence we have more than two or three or more main clauses, and they are closely linked meanings, they are closely interrelated, so we will use semicolon in a sentence, okay? In this we have two main clauses, okay? Some players can bat well, others can pitch well. These two are the main clauses, so we use semicolon between the clauses or phrases. A few can run fast, but very few players have all of these abilities. Number 2, to separate a groups of items from others in the same sentence. The champions in the annual regional baseball competition won a trophy for the school, then semicolon, then sponsorship for all baseball uniforms and equipment by bats and such limited, comma, active incorporated, and the shoe company and the certificate each. So किसी ग्रुप को या ग्रुप के किसी भी आइटम को when we are going to separate from in a sentence, then we are going to use the semicolon. And then between independent clauses linked with a connective. Most players improve at baseball through hard work and discipline. However, this was not the case with BB. So before this connective, we use the semicolon between independent clauses linked with a connected. Now this is going to link with the connective, so they have used the semicolon. Before connectives that introduce examples, as I have told you in the connective that there are some of the connectives that show introduce the example. So when we are going to use this type of a connective in a sentence that are going to introduce the examples, so we are going to use a semicolon before that connective. This was the use of the semicolon. These are the 4 uses of the semicolon in a sentence. I hope it is clear to you. If it is not, then let me know in the comments. The organizers have to see to many details before the baseball competition can commence. Now they are going to give the examples for this. Then they have used semicolon. Then for instance, in comma, they need to set up a system for the sale of tickets and find a venue large enough to seat their estimated number of spectators. And if it is clear to you, so now come to your activity books. We are going to do the activities of the connectives. Okay, now we are going to do the activity for this on our activity book. Exercise 4D, grammar connectives in sentences. Connectives have been used incorrectly in the following sentences. Explain how the connectives should be used in boxes provided. Write the correct sentences in the blanks. They have used incorrect or inappropriate connectives in the sentences. Now we have to use them in the correct way, and we have to give the we have to provide them the reason that what this connective is showing us, that it is providing alternative or it is showing a contraction or contrast, what it is showing us. Okay, the first one is a player cannot kick the basketball, neither run with it. A player neither kick the basketball nor run with it. Neither, we will use neither and nor with each other. Okay, a player neither kick the basketball nor run with it, and it is providing the alternative, to provide alternative. Number 2, height is an advantage and some players who are not so tall can excel in basketball too. Height is an advantage, although some players who are not so tall can excel in basketball too, and it is showing the contrast, to show contrast. Number 3, he dribbles into the free throw lane and jumps and drops the ball through the hoop. He dribbles into the free throw lane as well as jumps and drops the ball through the hoop, to link ideas or to link idea. Okay, number 4, although he was exhausted but he continued playing. There they have used but. Okay, but this is incorrect. Okay, although he was exhausted yet he continued playing, to show contrast. Okay, number 5, a Bahamian won the Olympic Games women's 400 meters gold medal despite the former world championship took the silver. They have used despite, but this is not the correct. A Bahamian won the Olympic Games women's 400 meters gold medal as well as the former world championship took the silver. Number 6, Centuries, a national hurdle, hope to win gold, then doing well in the semi-finals. Centuries, a national hurdler, hoped to win gold after doing well in the semi-final. We used after, and it is to show order. 7, many people are involved in a basketball game: the players, the spectators, the coach, the scorer, the timers. Many people are involved in a basketball game, such as the players, the spectators, the scorer, and the timers, to introduce examples. Okay, and move to the next page. Mention date on your page. Exercise 4E, the semicolon. You know what is semicolon? This is the semicolon. Okay, dot and then the comma. Join the following sentences using appropriate punctuation marks and connectives. The team practiced very hard. The team did not make it to the World Cup. The team practiced very hard, then semicolon, then but it don't or did not. Not the don't, you will use didn't. Okay, didn't make it to the World Cup, and then full stop. Keeping fit is a lifelong process. Keeping fit should not stop after leaving school. Keeping fit should not stop when you start working. So keeping fit is a lifelong process. You will use semicolon after the process. Okay, it should not stop after leaving school, then semicolon, when you start working, and then full stop. Number 3, Cassie bought a basketball. He gave it to his son. The ball was a birthday gift. Cassie bought a basketball, then semicolon, and he gave it to his son, then again semicolon, because it was the birthday gift. Number 4, Amira hated to swim. She was terrified of the water. Amira hated to swim, then semicolon, because she was terrified to the water. And why? Because this is telling, the second sentence is telling the reason that why she is afraid of the swimming. Okay, why she hated to swim. So these were the sentences. I hope it is clear to you. If it is not, then let me know in the comments. I will try my level best to overcome your queries. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz, students.